Hey, I'm Sawyer. I wasn't born rich and never studied trading. I just started and never stopped. Now I make over $100,000 every week and own several villas and apartments around the world. I created a Telegram channel where I share everything for free. Training, practice and signals for any level. Join the community and message me. We will start your first trade together. I treat 1 minute like surgery: preparation, entry, exit. Every step deliberate. Even my breathing sync with the chart's rhythm. Precision isn't tension, it's focused, and that's how you stay sharp without burning out.
Let's open a short trade here, rather than following the trend, since I think we'll get a good signal here. Let's highlight the working area as a whole. There seems to be a good signal here for a short, since we are focusing on the RSI. Here we've touched at the upper moving average of our Bollinger Band channel, and accordingly we'll expect a downward movement. After this touch, we'll wait for a slight pullback. I think it's better to do just then in this area and open a short trade, especially since we see that our RSI is in the overbought area, and accordingly it's better to open a short trade. Let's see, there are just under 10 seconds left until the trade closes.
Trading is not just about copying signals, it's about understanding the logic behind every move. That's exactly what I teach in my free practical strategy session. You will learn how to trade properly, get daily signals, and join a real learning community in Telegram. Hit the link below and start your free session now.
And in the final seconds, the deal closes in profit.
For me, trading became a reflection of life. Control what you can, accept what you can't, build a process and trust it, even through chaos. Because consistency isn't the goal, it's the way. And that's what defines a real trader.
Yes, here we will also open a short trade in the direction of the trend. Let's highlight the working area, and I will explain the entry principle to you now. Look, we have a downward trend, that's one. We can see it all. The price is going down, plus this is a very good resistance area. In general, then we touch the upper moving average of the channel, and after this, these signals and also our RSI indicator tells us that the movement should move downwards from the overbought areas. So, we will open a short trade in the direction of the trend. Overall, we are already seeing a good exit. I don't think this candle will go anywhere higher. This trade is likely closed in profit, with less than 10 seconds. So, let's watch. And yes, our trade closed in profit without any problems.
At the beginning, I entered randomly. No logic, no confirmation. A signal popped up, I was already in. Of course, those trades ended in losses almost every time, until I realized even 1 minute needs structure and order. Without it, you just react instead of analyze. The key is not to get back what was lost. That mind test destroys more accounts than bad signals. I trade only when the mind is clear, not chasing revenge. Markets don't care about my emotions or frustrations. They reward only structure and control.
Trading might look easy on videos, but once you start, you realize it's a whole different game. That's why I give you a free practice session and personal guide to help you trade the right way. You will also get daily trading signals and real working strategies in my Telegram channel. Tap the link below and claim your free trading practice today.